Greetings my friends, welcome back to another video and trade here, bringing you a tutorial on how to turn your account even from $100 all the way to 1,000 to 2,000 and eventually get to a comfortable place where you can make consistent $500-600 every single day. And before we continue with the trading session and before I will show you how to really go from trading with Quant and incorporating other tools that we have available and then incorporating your own knowledge, I want to introduce a new member of my team. There she is. Everybody say hi. This is Akira. She is going to be a trader as well, and she's going to be trading with us from now on, right? And she's going to be helping me perform analysis during our trading sessions. So everybody get familiar with her. She's going to grow into a serious trader, and so should you. So now let's get to work. I'm going to put her down so she goes explores. But yeah, here we are. And for a lot of beginner traders, trading can be really difficult. There is a lot of content available online. It's all different. There is a lot of tutorials and you really don't know where to start. And I always say the best way to start is just start with the trading tools. They are available for you every single day. They work 24/7 and you can trade with them. And I showed you how to turn $100 into 1,000 with Quant, and then you can use Evo Trade algorithm to turn that 1,000 into 5, 3,000, whatever is your goal. So today we're going to be trading with Evo Trade algorithm and continuing our journey. We're currently at 1.1K from our last trading session with Quant, which yielded us over $300 of profit and got us to 1,000. So let's go and let me show you what you can do with Evo Trade. All right, so here we are on the chart. We have everything prepared, and first thing that I want to do is I don't even want to trade with Evo Trade algorithm. I want to place $1,000 here on this trade because as soon as I opened this chart, I saw that the price is continuously being rejected from this level. So it only makes sense to me that the price will move downwards here from this point on. And before we even start our trading session with Quant, I am so confident in this and I'm placing over most of my balance here on this trade because I know that it will go through. So there you have it. We're already in and I'm not worried about the price going up and down. That's how it is. This is trading, guys. You're not always going to be getting a perfect entry where the price immediately goes down. So this is how you trade. And this is already going to give us $410. And I know some people will say this is a big risk, but I was just so confident that this trade will go through because of how the previous candles look. And you can see that easily. Every single time the price reaches this point, there is a rejection. We got a pattern here, play out, pin bar, and just like that, we made $400 before we even started our trading session. So now let's continue trading with the Evo Trade algorithm. And we select OTC market and let's get something more lucrative this time with better payout than we had. And we have quite a few of those. Let's see if we have any of these. We're going to start with Euro New Zealand dollar. I always get good results with Euro New Zealand dollar. So let's find it. There it is. We select the asset that we like. We select the market that we like. We have 8 different time frames that we can select from. So from 1 minute to 1 day, whatever suits you. We're going to go for 1 minute here as I want quicker trades. And I press start analysis. The robot will start performing the analysis. And just in a few seconds, you're already getting a full analysis and a breakdown, and it's a sell position. So I'm going to place $1,000 on this position and just save 500 in case the price swings up, so I can offset a little bit in case. But if I lose this, this is of course a big loss here, but I'm pretty damn sure that the robot will be able to pull us through because this is just been happening consistently. We've done so many trading sessions from $100 to 1,000, from 1,000 to 5,000. We've made literally hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars trading with Evo Trade algorithms. So I have already a backlog of how many trades we had and how many successful executions we had, and the results just speak for themselves. We are over 85% win rate with this tool, so it's only right that I'm confident in this trade as well. And we have 10 seconds left, and you can see that the price does have a strong bearish volume here, and this is why we're seeing these candles pop up, and we are securing $920 just like that. So now we move on to our next trade. We got $920, very good, or $910, but we can continue going. And sorry, I have to keep my eye on the pup because she is very active and running around and causing mayhem here. Let's go back to OTC market. We now have $2,000 and we already doubled our trading amount, and we're gonna go to Euro United States dollar now. Select it right here, 1 minute, same process, super easy, few clicks. You can do this every single time and it takes zero effort to do this. And we have a buy position and I can get behind that. I'm gonna place change the amount here, but we're gonna go in with 1,000 and that's it. I'm not gonna do anything else in case but I'm just going to be prepared in case the price swings downwards and goes below our entry point, which is highly unlikely here, as once again we are doing this actually. There you go. So another 1,000 goes in on the trade just right before the signal has expired, because 20 seconds was the expiration time for 1 minute signal. So we hit it right at 40-second mark, and you can see the rejection starts acting again, pushing the price back up. So if we are really lucky here, we're gonna get all of these trades in, and this is exactly what I would like to see. This would be massive for us. Look at that strong rejection, and the robot did predict it, give us a signal. OBV confirms volume accumulation and CCI enters positive territory. So this is going to be a close trade here, and we do get all the money here, and look at that. This is beautiful. We still have $1,000 pending here, but even if we lose this 1,000, we are still not losing much. We're just gaining here with this trade. Just fantastic. And imagine trading like this every single day. You're going to be making profit. You're going to be making solid money. And unfortunately, we still get it. We still get it. So from 1,000, we went to 4.2K and just completely obliterating the market and making money. This tool performs analysis second and second. Quant performs analysis second and second. Runs trading sessions for you. You go into the market. You change to Evo Trade algorithm. You go even faster. You just snowball into making money consistently. You have to start slower, and if you have limited amount of money available, of course you have to control how much you're putting with Evo Trade algorithm. I always say every single video, and I'm gonna continue saying it, if you are not doing money management, you are most likely going to end up losing your funds, and you don't want that. So make sure to adjust it accordingly, 1 to 5%, 1 to 3%, whatever suits you, but just make sure that you're keeping track of it. And let's finish the trading session with one on real market. Find an asset, United States dollar, high volatility, pretty rough market, but I want to prove to you that this robot is able to do it on any market. So let's go ahead and select United States dollar. There it is. And we just press 1 minute as always. Press start analysis, and that's it. Now we're just waiting for a signal. We're gonna get an easy entry, place our trade, make our money. That's how simple trading is. I'm gonna place 1,000, wait for rejection to see if it's actually happening, because we had one massive rejection candle right here happening. So I don't want to overcommit already, because I do think the high volatility gonna push the price down and allow us to place some more entries. And there it is. We actually gonna do it, and there it is. This is the entry I've been waiting for. Strong red candle. We managed to place 2 more thousand right here, and now we are in. We are in. We have 4,000 on the line. We want to see a green candle really go here, and this is exactly what we might see, because we do see a change of character here as the strong bullish candles happen. And of course, like I mentioned, this is not an easy market right here. Real market right now is under a lot of pressure as the tensions in the world build up. There is wars happening everywhere. Stock market is having a rough time. Everything is currently a little bit of a shambles. So the fact that this tool is able to perform in real market and make you money even in such conditions is just speaking volumes, because you will have hard time doing that on your own, especially if you lack the knowledge. So there you have it, guys. We just went in just like that from $1,000 to $8,000 in less than 15 minutes. And I think, yeah, exactly. Look at that. Less than 15 minutes of work and we are out. We just like that make all the money. And look at the timing as well, as we got a massive red candle that would actually eliminate us from the market. But because we entered fast, we caught that swing and we got the money, we are on top. And like I mentioned, and like I say, this took us just a couple of days. So if I'm able to do it with my funds, yes, of course, my process is a little bit faster because I'm able to place thousands, because I literally have like, let's see, the safe, because I have $168,000 in my safe, which brings me $27 every single day, 200 every week, and $830 just of passive income, just being in pocket option. I'm able to place bigger trades. I'm able to risk more. This is still just 1% to 5% of my balance and of my available funds. So I'm able to place these trades. For you, it's going to be a little bit slower, but slower doesn't mean bad. You're still going to be consistent. You're still going to be making money, and you need to be slower. You need to be slower until you get enough expertise, until you start understanding price movements, until you build a system around trading with these tools, which is going to help you in the long run, because you don't want to just blindly place trades. If you are able to observe the price movement and incorporate the robot signals into it. You see here, I waited. I saw that the rejection on previous candles happened pretty strongly, so I waited a little bit. Even with the signal coming in, I placed only 1,000. I waited for the rejection to happen. It happened. We placed the money lower, so we offset the potential losses at the top. And as a bonus, we got all the wins at the top, all the profit at the top, and all the trades at the bottom as well, because we placed the trades correctly. And that comes with understanding trading and having more expertise in understanding the price movement. So if you want to learn how to trade, if you want to have access to these tools and start trading consistently and making profit consistently every single day, send me a message on Telegram at Antrade_Pro and become a member of my team today. You will also have access to trading robots, trading tutorials, trade breakdowns, and we will build a whole ecosystem around you, and we will help you find the right system to trade with, because this is the most important thing about trading. One of the most important things about trading is having the system that really suits you, that really feels comfortable to you. And once you have that, and once you start trading every single day consistently, you will become familiar with trading, with charts, and you're just gonna start making money. So send me a message, check the link in the description below, join trading sessions. We got you every single day. We do 3 to 4 trading sessions every single day. On weekends we trade OTC market, so there is no downtime. You're always going to be trading, always going to be making money alongside me, because I'm trading with you. I'm placing my trades as well. So don't miss out. Check it out. I appreciate you. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.